Welcome back to Blaze Themes YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you the customization of block archive section in Blogig theme. Go to Customizer, Block Archives, General Settings. There are 5 different archive layouts. This is archive layout 5. Archive layout 1. Select the number of columns. And there are 4 different sidebar layouts. Layout 2 has sidebar on the left. Layout 1 has right sidebar. Select alignment. You can show or hide post category, post date, read time, comments number, as well as select their icons. Select button icon. Select image size. Image ratio. Solid border type. Edit border thickness and border color. You can also determine border radius. In design settings, select inner background color. Select box shadow. You can also edit horizontal offset, vertical offset, blur, and spread. Border bottom color. Edit thickness. In typography settings, I'm selecting Roboto font. Editing font size and line height. Poppins font for accept. You can also select typography for category, date, author, read time, comment, and button. Same Poppins font. Editing letter spacing. Same Poppins font for category. Uppercase letters. Publish to save all the customization. Reload the page. Now you can view all the customizations you have made on your live site. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials.